Now, if you're struggling with getting started picking your own stocks, this is an example of how you can. Now, before I start the video, I'm selling 10 of these lovely t-shirts. So if you want to support me, you can buy one of those. If they don't sell out, no one gets a t-shirt. Not my rule though, but yeah, if you want to help me out. Hello there, welcome to another video on investing in stocks. Now, I like to pick my own stocks, and a lot of other people want to as well. But sometimes it's hard to know where to start. Do you just look up all the stocks? You know, what kind of stocks you're looking for? What's going to make a stock a good investment? So this is an example of how you can sort of reverse engineer society and look, okay, what are people doing? What are the trends? What are the popular products? What technology is being developed? And then seeing if you can invest in that. So this is an example of how you look at behavior of young people and see if you can build a portfolio based on that. So millennials, now people use this word all over the place, but it's pretty much just people my age, you know, between 20 and 30 years now, 35. Now these people, we are still very young, and we are the consumers of today and tomorrow. So what I like to do is, you know, what are young people doing from the moment they wake up, from the moment they go to sleep? Because these trends are very important and there's a lot of money to be made. So people are at their computers and phones all the time, 24 hours a day, streaming. So first of all, they're on YouTube, they're on Netflix. Those are the two big streaming and online content players. They're on social media constantly. I'm not, but most people are. And here we obviously have Facebook, Twitter, Snap. Now keep in mind, Facebook owns obviously Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram, while these are just Snap and Twitter. Of course, a lot of everything is done on smartphones. You obviously have Apple and Samsung, by far the biggest players. Now keep in mind, Apple is actually quite big in streaming and mobile payments as well, and gaming, because you have the App Store where people buy, you know, everything they have on their iPhones. They're not necessarily paying with credit cards anymore or cash, they're paying with their cell phones, your smartphones. So here we have Square and PayPal, which are the two biggest mobile payment players. PayPal is not necessarily direct mobile payments, but they are partnered with pretty much every payment company in the world. Square is like pretty much a pure mobile payment play. Now, traveling is nothing new, but the world is more and more global, the economy is doing great, and young people are traveling more than, you know, ever before, and we're going out a lot. We're actually being quite social, despite what people think. And for this, you have stuff like TripAdvisor, where you can sort of see, learn about travel destinations and plan your trips. And Yelp is a place where you can check out pretty much anywhere you want to go out. So eats, to the clubs, you know, the opera, cinemas, whatever. Young people are pretty much buying everything online. So here you always have Amazon, eBay and Alibaba. Amazon covers, you know, like buying commercial products, like brand new products. eBay is where people in the US and very much so in Europe buy used products. And Alibaba is the Chinese e-commerce giant. Now, takeout, again, nothing new, but Grubhub is a company that sort of takes takeout to young people and is sort of the middleman there. So Grubhub is a very, very fast growing company, very new, very innovative, and it's the fastest growing takeout organizer, I guess, company. In terms of fashion, everyone's wearing like Yeezys from Adidas. We're training in Nike outfits, and amongst a lot of young people, like between 10 and 20, some fashion brands such as Louis Vuitton and Gucci are very popular. Kering is the parent company of Gucci, and Louis Vuitton has Louis Vuitton and some other brands. and of course Nike and Adidas are huge. And of course everyone plays video games constantly, mobile, PC, video consoles, Nintendo Switch, whatever. So you obviously have Activision, Blizzard, Electronic Arts, Take-Two Interactive, Nintendo, NetEase for China, you name it. You know, there's so many things you can add here. You could add cryptocurrencies. There's even a Millennial ETF, which is ridiculous, from Global X, which is a ticker MILN. So yeah. Now, I'm not saying these are good investments. I'm not saying you should make a Millennial portfolio. I would probably not go with all of these, but in general, if you look at these companies, they're all doing very well. They're growing incredibly fast, and that's because, you know, young people are adapting to these companies from more mainstream companies, right? So before it was Nokia, now it's Apple. Before it was, you know, Fox, Disney, you know, Sky News, whatever. Now it's more Netflix and Google. Before it was all about cash and credit cards like Visa, MasterCard. Now maybe tilting more towards Square and PayPal. Before it was maybe Walmart, Target. Now it's definitely more Amazon and eBay. So just a thought of how you can get started picking stocks. Hope this helps. Good luck with your stock picking, and I'll see you in my next video.